and welcome to this video. This is a smaller clip of the previous full detail that I showed. I want to try and see if breaking up a few portions of those details into its normal speed video will be any more helpful to you guys in terms of, one, maybe just seeing me clean in normal speed will kind of give you a better idea of how you're gonna clean if you're doing this just as yourself or as a business. In some way it's gonna help to some capacity, and two, maybe you just find it satisfying and enjoying and you just want to watch it. But I'm gonna try it out with a few videos, maybe give a few insight in terms of tips and tricks and such, depending on what the video is. So this one is on the Tahoe that I cleaned, which I posted the video. It's a previous video of the full detail. And these seats, and this is like pretty common with older Tahoes, where the seats after time, even new, but after time, and this is a 04, so it's gone through some wear and tear, is that they feel pretty cheap. I don't know if cheap is the right word, but the material definitely seems inferior and it just feels funny to clean. And it's not good or bad or anything. I'm just saying, like, compared to other types of leather, like it's to me, in my experience, has always felt a little off. It doesn't change the cleaning, but it does change just the way you feel about cleaning it, because I don't know, it's weird. The texture of it, the color of it, it just seems very stale and bland, and it makes it feel like something is off, but it's not. It's just, I've always felt that. I'm just sharing that just because I don't know if you guys have ever had that feeling with other vehicles that you've cleaned or worked on. I don't know, that's how I felt. But these, they come off pretty easy. I'm just using the Chemical Guys leather brush with Super Clean diluted 10:1 and towels. That's literally all I'm using. Maybe on the other seats to get in the crevices, I'm using just a small bristle brush. But other than that, I'm using 2 or 3 products and tools. When cleaning the seams of the seats, it helps a lot to spray some cleaner either directly onto the seats and to get it into the seams or into the brush itself, just because a lot of that is dry. So just trying to get it with a dry brush is not gonna really work well. So you want to give it some type of lubricity to break it up and make the agitation easier on the brush and on the seat itself. So just maybe a quick little spritz of your cleaner just to give it something to work with. Now I'm showing you the obvious parts here, like the bottom of the seat, behind the seat, the headrest. But remember to clean all parts of the leather seat. So it's going to be the side of the seats, underneath the headrest, the space between the seat and the headrest itself. Just because there's a lot of times dust can accumulate or some stains can be there. So not just the obvious parts, but obviously work all the way around. But that's gonna be it. The afters aren't that good because on the actual detail I didn't spend much time recording just the leather seats. But they came out good. Customer was very happy. It's a 2004, so you know there's gonna be wear and tear. But hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.